Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Mophie charging station is showing a blinking light instead of charging your device normally, it's usually a sign that something isn't aligned properly between the charger and the device. This blinking indicator is not random, it's designed to alert you about issues like misalignment, foreign objects, power supply problems, or charging interruptions. What makes it confusing is that the charger may still look active, but your device isn't actually receiving power. Instead of assuming the charger is faulty, it's important to check a few things step by step. Most of the time, the fix is simple and only takes a minute once you identify the cause. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking light issue and restore normal charging. Try these. 1. Check that the charging station is properly connected to a power source. 2. Remove your device and place it back correctly on the charging area. 3. Ensure there are no metal objects or cases interfering with charging. 4. Restart your device and try placing it on the charger again. 5. Use the original power adapter to ensure proper voltage supply. 6. Clean the charging surface to remove dust or debris affecting alignment.